genius Chilean invention.
I don't know if it's...
No, maybe it's not Chilean specifically, but it's very wide use in Chile. Although we did get this one in Argentina. But anyway, as a layer between, it's a toaster, and as a layer between the pan and the very not adjustable camp stoves, this thing is an awesome diffuser. It works wonderfully. And this is some smoked deer meat with cheese and tomatoes and garlic and oregano, some black pepper, fried up in some olive oil, and that's going to go with the polenta that we have here. Nice quick polenta. That was just a 1 minute stir up, and there you have it. Pretty good meal to have. And then we have some, we still have parsley, perejil?
Yes.
Yeah, still have some fresh parsley and some fresh lettuce that we got. Not a bad little campsite cooking here. From our wonderful chef, Tamara Charpentier. It's French because she's a good chef.
It's French for I hate cooking on the ground.
Without a table, yeah. This campsite, it leaves a little bit to be desired.
Yeah,
namely, a table, a picnic table, or any surface to do something on, not the ground. Yeah.
Oh well.
Oh well. 'Tis what it is. Being a mile, a couple kilometers from the one border point, but then another 30 kilometers to the frickin' others. Ooh, spillover. Yeah, look at that. Luckily didn't get all the sand.
Got some leaves. The cheese cuts.
Good cheese.
Dirt. Oh. But
A lot of dirt?
no, just like a couple.
Well, it's that volcanic pebbles.
I just want to turn it off. Are you still recording?
Yeah.